Hey loves, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing this first bit. It's a natural look. It looks so nice. So we are going to recreate this look, and I'm going to be sorry guys, my filming light is not okay because I'm using natural light, so it's on and off. But hey guys, I'm going to be recreating this look using simple and affordable drugstore, and it's going to be a get ready with me, because after I'm going to be filming a sit down video, and it's going to be get ready with me, and it's a sit down video. So I'm going to be talking about side hustles that you can actually engage in, and then you earn a living and a fortune. Even if you're employed or self-employed, you can go for these side hustles and then you earn a living as we achieve this look. How amazing is that? So guys, that's what we're going to be doing today, and after I'm going to be wearing that dress that you see in a mirror, and I'm going to be filming a sit down video with you guys. I can't. I love this. So let's go straight into the video. So this video about makeup, it's not going to be detailed, but the side hustles are going to be detailed. So watch me achieve this look. Love you. In today's video, we're going to be talking about side hustle business that you should know, or perhaps you should consider. If either you're employed, self-employed, you have a business, or they are employing you, you should know about these businesses, and girls, they will elevate your life. So in today's foundation, I'm going to use Kiss Beauty Bio Foundation. So guys, I realized this long time ago, but I just want to share with you some of the things that I think you should consider. If you're employed, if they are employing you, or you're self-employed, this business are going to really elevate your life, and instead of wasting your money into some things that are not really going to help you, they're not developing you, I think you should consider these businesses. Number one, organizing parties, small parties. Organizing parties, some people think organizing parties, you need to be having a lot of things, you have to be with everything. No, that is not true. Because for example, if you're doing a baby shower, if you're doing a baby shower, bridal shower, picnics, like birthdays, you don't need to have those things. You don't need to have everything. This is what you do. You go to town or anywhere, you know where. So you can go to town. There are thousands of shops where you can hire things at a low price, guys, at a low price. So you can't have everything. You know why? It's because each and every customer that you're going to get is going to be having a different taste, and you're not going to do the same things that you did for the other customer with this customer. No, that's why you should not have those things. You don't need to buy seats, you don't need to buy flowers, you don't need to be with anything. Just have the passion, so you don't have to have a lot of things for you to start planning those things. No. And if you've been thinking like that, that's wrong. Because someone is going to come and then they want a gray theme, someone is going to come and they need a green theme. So are you going to own all that? No, you're not going to do that. But you're going to go to town and you hire those things at a low price, Trust me guys, you're going to make money. So what you do, you sit down, you see how much is going to cost you when hiring everything, and then you can hire things. You start making money. You understand? So you don't have to be having each and everything that you have to use to do those things. And remember, these days people are doing baby showers, people are doing birthdays, people are doing picnics. There is money in those things. Trust me, there is money. So another thing that you should consider as a side hustle is learning professional makeup. Guys, these days makeup is a big thing. Trust me, makeup, I'm telling you this, I do makeup and I know what it means. Makeup means to people. Learn professional makeup. By learning professional makeup, you don't really have to go to school. No, if you have passion for it, if you know that this thing is going to bring for me money, you don't have to take a lot of time to learn it. Like, you're not going to spend, literally, you're not going to spend a lot of money. All you need is your phone. Go to YouTube. There are millions and millions of videos, if not even billions of videos, you know, teaching people how to, like, teaching people professional makeup. I never went to school to learn professional makeup, and you're going to find out that 60% of those professional makeup artists that you see on YouTube that are teaching you makeup, they never went to school, but they are making money. They are professionals, like they are making millions and millions of money. Like, search your bag, girl. Go to YouTube, go to Instagram, just go on any site, any serious site, and learn makeup. I will advise you to use YouTube because they give really detailed things. And another thing about YouTube, you're going to find a lot of like videos. You're going to be having options, and you're going to learn different techniques of doing makeup. You understand? So really, guys, learn professional makeup. Learn professional makeup. Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, and others. Your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. Still talking about ways to cook and deliver cooked food. A lot of people don't know where to get this food from. A lot of people don't know how to get it, who to trust. You understand? So if you really have passion in cooking, you can start with that. You can start with your social media. Advertise that thing. Trust me, people are going to buy it, and it's going to be to your own advantage because you can do it at home. You just pack it, and then you get a border guy or Uber or anything, and then they deliver the food. Trust me, it's going to be to your own advantage, and there is money out there. A lot of people don't really have time to sit and cook. People work 15 hours, 20 hours. Some people even go and work 24 hours because they need money, and then they spend a month without eating real food. They are just eating junk food. They don't know what to do, and some people are not even good at cooking. So if you really have passion in cooking, you can do that. It can be at your own advantage, as long as your food can be trusted, the quality, and then the packaging, and then the delivering. You have to be in position to deliver food in time. Once you talk about something with the customer, make sure you deliver the exact thing that they expect, even more, in terms of quality, the time, and all that. So you're going to really make money into that, or from that. People are doing that. You know, people are doing that and they're getting money. People are getting a fortune. So don't wait to get a lot of money. Don't wait to get rent so that you can get like a space onto a certain building. No, you can do it at home. And you're not even going to be worried about the double rent. You have to pay your rent at home and then you pay for the business rent. Like, no, you're not going to be facing that. So it will be at your own advantage. That is something that people want. You can even start baking from home, you know. That is another business idea. Bakery, people doing parties. People are doing parties, and then someone reach at a certain day, and then they don't even have or know where to get the cakes from, who to get the snacks from. So you can start baking from home. You advertise your business, and trust me, it's going to work for you, because people are doing that. People don't really care where you're baking from, you know. Most people don't care about that. As long as you can provide a cake, it's quality, and they can get it in time. So why would you get worried about the rent, and then when you can do it from home? You can use that advantage, you know. So baking is another great thing you can use, you know.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby I have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
So another thing that I have to talk about is starting a YouTube channel. Guys, if you just here watching videos for people and you don't have a YouTube channel, or you don't have plans of starting one, I think you're doing a wrong thing. Well, a lot of people are not going to tell you this. They're going to tell you to subscribe, support them, and they're not going to tell you why they want you to support them. It is okay, support them, but you can also do it. What others are doing, you can also do it. So I'm going to do my eyes, but I'm not going to do eyeshadow. I'm going to use concealer and powder, because this is a natural look and I don't want it to be like I'm going for. So I use the concealer that I use to conceal my face, and I apply just little, very little products. I mean very little. And then, so I'm going to use setting powder to work on this. As I tell you the next, so I make sure I don't use a lot of powder, and I'm going to just run the brush with the powder on the concealer, and everything is going to blend. And you make 1K subscribers, 4,000 watch hours. YouTube, you can pattern with YouTube, and they start paying you via ads. And even before you do that, you think about ads. You can also get contacts and like contracts from organizations, from business owners, and then they are paying you. People are making money not only from the AdSense that you see, but people are partnering. Like people are going to pay you to persuade or to promote their businesses. You're going to be paid. And really, guys, it's just a matter of getting a video and you promote it, you use their products, something like that, and then you get money. People are getting money. People are getting money. People are getting money out of influencing people's businesses, you know. So you can also start a YouTube channel, because what does it take you? You don't have to be with cameras, and then you don't stop, or to like, you don't have to be with expensive cameras, expensive phones, and then you start a YouTube channel. No, you can start now with what you have. That phone you're using to watch other people's businesses, other people's YouTube channels, like, you can use it and start your own channel. I'm not saying you should stop viewing or seeing their videos. Of course, once the fact that you're seeing their videos or watching their content, it is working for you, you love it, so you can also do it. If you feel like you don't want to be in camera, there are a lot of topics that you can be working on, or you can be filming, and then without you even showing your face, you just film a video and then you put your voice into it. You understand? So if you're just worried about you speaking, you being not comfortable, it's okay. You can do it without showing your face. A lot of people are doing videos, YouTube, and then they're not even showing their faces, but they're earning money. It's not about your face. You understand? So there are a lot of ways that you can earn from YouTube. Guys, this lipstick is so damn nice. Oh my god. Again, it is Kiss Beauty.